Berkeley College's Academic Service Learning program offers students the opportunity to experience hands-on learning by teaming up with nonprofit organizations.
I was able to get a real hands-on experience with what some corporations do, what non-for-profits are all about, and I was able to further expand my knowledge on all this information. Academic service learning, I had no idea what it was until I did this class. And I think it's really great. I think it's something that can benefit students, and it can benefit the company that's involved, and it can benefit the school.
Each class partners with an organization to work on various projects that may include developing marketing material, planning and executing an internal audit, or preparing a volunteer recruitment plan.
My expectation and hope was that they would really get to know what Kids Express's mission is, what we do, and then be able to meet two objectives that we put out to them. So one objective was how to replicate the program. The other one was to look to see how we can improve or increase our revenue streams.
Students earn credits for their coursework while making a valuable contribution to their partner organization and to the community.
This gives them an opportunity to get involved with an actual business, in this case a not-for-profit. Gives them a chance to analyze the business, because we had that opportunity and they really did a great job with it, and to come up with recommendations that would help the business grow.
To find out more about the Academic Service Learning Program, contact your academic advisor today.